A man living in country Victoria was emptying his dad's storage unit from the 80s and he found a heap of computer stuff. Some had already been thrown out. This was the last to go. He said I could have it if I drove 1.5 hours to pick it up. Here it is, straight from the 80s. Everything looks to be in great shape. It doesn't get much better than this. So I loaded it into my car and drove another 1.5 hours through the countryside, back over the Westgate Bridge and into city traffic, and unpacked it outside in my backyard to discover what I'd saved. This is an Apple IIe with lots of cards. It's an early rare revision, which I'll give you a sneak preview of at the end of this video. But for now, we're going to dive into this haul and see what I got. In 1986, a platinum grey version of the Apple disk drive, funnily enough named the Apple 5.25 inch drive, and the model number for those who want to know a bit more about it is A9M0107. Anyway, that was introduced in 1986, and this was the last 5.25 drive that Apple actually made. It enables daisy chaining on the back and works with the Apple IIe and the 2GS. And while I personally prefer the old school black disk drives, these drives are really, really cool. This software haul is just amazing. It's all complete with floppy disks and manuals and just needs a good clean. This stuff is like 38 years old. I can't believe I've got the teacher's guide on Apple computers as well. This is just an amazing find. I haven't seen this anywhere else. I'll stop my narration now. I'll let you discover things as I did going through all the boxes. There's certainly a lot of stuff here and I'm glad I could save it all from going to the tip. Now here's the unit with its cover off. You can see all the cards sitting there, and we'll go into detail in the next video and I'll show you how this thing cleans up. It looks absolutely amazing.